Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file your BIR online. Filing your taxes electronically offers convenience and efficiency, saving you valuable time and effort. We'll cover everything from preparing your documents to successfully submitting your returns and making payments. This guide aims to simplify the process, ensuring you can confidently meet your tax obligations from the comfort of your home or office. Let's get started on making your tax filing experience much easier. Before you begin, a little preparation goes a long way. First, make sure you have a reliable internet connection and a computer that meets the system requirements. Next, gather all your important financial documents, such as income statements, expense receipts, and withholding tax certificates. Finally, download and install the most current eBIR forms package from the official BIR website. If you're a large taxpayer, remember to register for an eFPS account. Now, let's dive into using the eBIR forms package. Once installed, open the application and carefully select the specific tax form you need to file. Proceed to accurately input all your financial data into the corresponding fields. After completing the form, it's crucial to validate your return to catch any potential errors or omissions. This step ensures accuracy before you generate the final tax return file, which is then ready for online submission. With your tax return validated, it's time for submission and payment. Submit your return directly through the eBIR forms system or the eFPS portal, depending on your registration. Next, select your preferred online payment channel. Many banks and e-wallets are available. Carefully enter your payment details and confirm the transaction. Always remember to save a copy of your payment confirmation and the BIR's official acknowledgement receipt for your records. Congratulations! You've successfully filed your taxes online.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.